Get ready to discover 20 amazing tools that push innovation to the next level. From clever designs to powerful inventions, these incredible tools will leave you amazed. Let's get started. The Woken Air Blowgun delivers powerful, controlled airflow for clearing dust, debris, and moisture from tools, machinery, and automotive parts. Its durable PA66 body and brass air inlet ensure reliable performance, while multiple nozzle lengths make it easy to reach both open areas and tight spaces. The QEP Artisan Power Nipper is designed for precise cutting of glass and porcelain tiles. Its offset jaws, adjustable cutting settings, and three-stage ball bearing system provide smooth, accurate performance, while gel grip handles and rubber bumpers reduce fatigue for greater comfort and control during detailed tile work. The Woodpecker EC7E Tie Cordless Hog Ring gun delivers fast, efficient fastening without the need for hoses or compressors. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it can drive up to 4,000 staples per charge, making it ideal for fencing, wire cages, automotive seating, mattresses, and other demanding applications. This weed brush removes stubborn weeds quickly with 3 rotating brush heads that apply even pressure for effective cleaning. Its planetary gear system lifts weeds from multiple angles while protecting paving stones and other surfaces from unnecessary scratches or damage. The Ladder Jack Kit creates a stable elevated work platform for painting, roofing, siding, and maintenance tasks. Built from high-strength aluminum, it features 8 angle adjustments, supports planks up to 18 inches wide, and offers a 250-pound load capacity for dependable performance. The USAG 660 hex key set features an innovative X-grip profile that securely grips both new and damaged hex fasteners. Made from durable phosphated steel, it includes a 1/4-inch bit holder and a compact fabric pouch for convenient storage and transport. The SZL Sliding Formwork simplifies retaining wall construction by allowing quick horizontal and vertical adjustments for precise curb and edging installation. Its efficient design speeds up setup, improves accuracy, and significantly reduces the time required for concrete formwork projects. The Distar 50 ButtonCut engraving disc delivers clean, chip-free cuts in ceramic tiles, making openings for switches, sockets, and flush plates faster and more precise. Its ultra-thin diamond blade minimizes finishing work, helping installers achieve professional quality results with greater speed and accuracy. The slip roll machine is built for smooth, precise forming of curves, cones, and cylinders in steel, aluminum, and other metals. Its durable construction, adjustable rollers, and removable top roll provide reliable performance, making fabrication faster, easier, and more accurate for a wide range of metalworking projects. The Marshalltown Resin Hand Float delivers a smooth concrete finish while allowing bleed water to evaporate naturally. Its durable laminated resin construction is ideal for working color hardeners into concrete, while the comfortable handle provides excellent control for professional finishing results. The Solo Raider Sander combines a high-efficiency brushless motor with adjustable speed for smooth, controlled performance. Its hook and loop sanding pad allows quick disc changes, while the ergonomic D-shaped handle provides a secure, comfortable grip for extended sanding and finishing tasks. The Superior Gen 3 MagVibe transforms standard concrete floats into high-performance vibrating floats for faster, smoother finishing. Featuring 3 vibration speeds, up to 20 hours of runtime, water-resistant construction, and a quick-attach system, it boosts productivity while reducing operator fatigue on demanding concrete jobs. The Makita 6-inch SJS high-power angle grinder Combines a powerful 13-amp motor with variable speed control for smooth, consistent performance. Its SJS mechanical clutch protects the motor from wheel binding, while constant speed control and anti-restart protection ensure reliable operation during demanding grinding and cutting tasks. The Koime by Feda Porta Gantry. Rapide is a lightweight portable lifting system designed for safe handling in confined spaces, deep excavations, and cemetery work. Quick to assemble and capable of lifting up to 1,000 kilograms, it offers adjustable height, foldable legs, and dependable mobility for demanding professional tasks. The Trelawney VibroLow Chisel Scalers combine powerful scaling performance with an advanced vibration reduction system for greater comfort during extended use. Available in needle, chisel, or combination kits, they are built to handle demanding surface preparation, rust removal, and industrial maintenance tasks with ease. Makita's compact angle impact wrenches deliver up to 390 foot-pounds of breakaway torque in a lightweight cordless design. Built for automotive, HVAC, and industrial applications, they feature twin LED lights, a comfortable soft grip, and impressive power to handle tough fastening jobs with ease. The Liftmaster B1 vacuum lifter makes transporting and installing heavy glass, stone, and metal panels safer and easier for a single operator. With a 180-kilogram lifting capacity, 360-degree rotation, dual-circuit vacuum system, and compact design, it delivers reliable handling without requiring batteries or external power. The Extra Hands. Bead holders simplify commercial truck tire installation by securely holding the tire bead in place during mounting. Their polymer tips protect rims from scratches, reducing effort and making tire changes faster, safer, and more efficient for technicians. The Woken 1/2-inch mini air impact wrench delivers up to 680 Newton-meters of torque in a compact, lightweight design. Featuring a durable jumbo clutch and 10,000 revolutions per minute free speed, it provides powerful, reliable performance for automotive repairs and demanding workshop applications. The RC3 inspection camera delivers full HD imaging with dual cameras for detailed inspections in pipes, walls, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Wi-Fi connectivity, a removable 5-inch display, and an IP67-rated camera head make inspections faster, clearer, and easier for professional applications. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and tell us which tool was your favorite. See you in the next one.